Hello everyone, welcome to Cavalier Computers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your online account balance if you are an employee charge customer, also known as payroll deduction. Well, if you're on our website, the first thing you want to do is log into our site if you have not already logged in. Once you log in, you would go to where it says welcome and it shows your account. You want to click on your name. You want to go to where it says account balance. And then it brings you to this page that's coming up right now. When I clicked on account balance, it brought me directly to this page and showing what my account balance is. Showing that I have an outstanding balance of $52.95 for my account. And that is how you look up your account balance. That's simple. So you log into the Cavalier Computers website, you click on account balance, brings you to this page, and it shows you how much your balance is on here. From this page also, if you need to make a payment on one of your accounts, you would click on invoices, find the invoice you want to pay on. You would click the button beside it, click make payment. And from here, if you wanted to edit how much you want to pay on it right here. If I wanted to pay the $52.95, I could do so. If I wanted to edit that amount, I would click edit, change the amount I want to pay on it. Click save. And then over here it shows you that I'm only paying $1 on it. Then I will hit continue. But that's it. So let's go back to where it says my name at. I'm going to go to account overview this time. And that account overview brings you to that same page. But you would actually scroll down to where it says billing. Under billing, account balance. And it shows you what your account balance is, and that's how much you owe. So you can also see your previous purchases in this area as well, by date. You can sort them by date. Now also click on purchases and look at purchase history. I have not bought anything in this time period, it appears. Let's change the date and see what do I even shop here? Yep, I bought something back in early October. So it shows me my purchases. Again, on the billing, it shows my account balance. Invoices, well, if I want to pay on one of those account balances. And that's it, guys. Have any questions, you can reach out to us at Cavalier Computers via email, which is cavcomp@virginia.edu. You can also reach us by phone at 434-924-3475. And also, you can reach us on our website by coming onto our website, going down where it says customer service, clicking that link, and it brings you to our support page. And it gives you how you get support online, gives you the email address I just gave you, also the phone number. You also click where it says customer support there, and it brings you to our support page where you can type in your question there, and it may answer your question already, or you can create a new support ticket. All right. Again, thank you for watching this quick video on how to check your balance online for employee charge customers. And I'll show you one more time. Click on your name, go to account balance, and it brings up the page that has the account balance on it. So I'll show you a couple different ways to access it. And as always, you can feel free to reach out to us and ask us any questions. Thank you.